Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. The sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word ăn, or at the middle of the word, like tắm. Now let's see how to pronounce the sound. First, tip of your tongue is placed right behind bottom front teeth. Your tongue should be relaxed, flat, and put it a little bit forward. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth wide. Stretch the lips slightly and keep them relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the sound is it is a short sound, so you have to shorten the sound a little bit inward, like ăn, tắm. Let's take a look at the word ăn. So you can hear that in this word, the sound is very short, but the n sound is very long. So we don't forget to shorten the sound inward, like ăn. Now let's try to say the sound inward. I'm going to say the word, then you will have a few seconds to copy my pronunciation, so don't forget to repeat after me. The first word is ăn, ắt, ẵm, ẵng, bánh, chăn, năm, thăm, tắm, bắt, cắt, chăn, nắng, đắng, ăn năn, năm lăm, đắng ngắt, bắt nắng, mặt cắt, sắp đặt, nhắm mắt. Now let's practice saying some sentences with full of the sound. I'm going to do it in 3 steps. On first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then we're going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Okay. Hằng bị bắt vì ăn cắp sắt. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Hằng bị bắt vì ăn cắp sắt. Now with normal speed. Hằng bị bắt vì ăn cắp sắt. Bằng ngồi ngắm trăng. Now a little bit faster. Bằng ngồi ngắm trăng. Now a little bit faster. Bằng ngồi ngắm trăng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.